how I make this magazine backdrop. For this project, you're going to need some magazines, of course, some tape, and clear thumbnails. Now I'm just going through the magazines looking for different pictures that I want to use for my backdrop. I'm looking for things that are colorful and eye-catching just to make sure like the background really pops. I came up with this idea a few weeks ago just for some content that I wanted to post on Instagram. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so that's why I didn't film the original process, but I actually really liked how it came out, so I wanted to film partly of what I did to create this wall. That's why I'm only doing wall backdrop, so that's why I'm only doing like one line of it so you guys can see. So once you get that first line completed, you just continue on until you fill the space that you want your backdrop to go on. So once I laid out the pages that I wanted to use, I flipped them over to tape them on the opposite side because I just didn't want the tape showing on the front side of it, so that's why I did it that way. So now that I'm done, I'm going to be attaching the backdrop to the wall with my clear thumbtacks. Now I did create my backdrop into 3 different pieces just so it can be easier for me to break down and reuse for later. I didn't want to be one whole piece. I wanted to just break it down into about 2 to 3 parts so it'd just be easier for me to keep it all together. Okay guys, so that is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was pretty easy to follow. If you have any additional questions, feel free to ask me down below in the comments section, or you can DM me. Either way is cool. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and make sure you turn on notifications and check out all my social media networks down below in the description box. And as always, I see you guys in the next one.